Again, for those of you who would have taken the last week test, right, this particular question is per se very easy but very calculative, and this question had 5 sub questions. Okay, now let us look at this question. See, they are saying that the premises of a bank has to be renovated. The renovation is in terms of flooring. Certain areas are to be floored either with marble or wood, right? All the rooms or halls are rectangular. The area to be renovated comprises of a hall for a customer transaction measuring this much, right? Hall for customer transaction measuring so much, branch manager's room measuring so much, pantry measuring 14 by 13, record keeping cum server measuring so much, and locker area so much. The total area of the bank is 2000, cost of wooden flooring is so much, and cost of marble flooring is so much. Okay, they have given what is to be put with marble and which rooms are to be floored with wood. Now let us just read the question. Okay, if the remaining area of the bank is to be carpeted at the rate of rupees 110 per square meter, how much will be the increment in the total cost of renovation on of the bank premises? See, what have they given in the question? They have given that in a bank there are certain rooms which are to be renovated, correct? And they have given the measurements of the room, and they have also mentioned what flooring has to be put in those rooms. Then they are saying that if the remaining area, there is some area which is left out, if that also has to be carpeted, you have to find out the total cost of renovation. So how do you solve this question? See, I'll just explain it in detail. Okay, you might feel it is taking a lot of time, but when you actually do it in the exams, you will just need to do the calculations. Okay, in this question, see, a lot of you said you skipped this question. That is because the first 2 questions that would have appeared in the exams are ones which have lot of calculations involved. Such questions, I will just come to those questions also. When such questions come, definitely you can skip that, because you will need more time to attempt such questions, right? But again, in this full set, there were 2 or 3 questions which were fairly easier to calculate. Okay, so let us try this one. Now what is given here? There is a hall. Okay, what is the measurement of the hall? It is nothing but 23 into 29, correct? So what is the area of the hall? That is nothing but 23 into 29. So what is that? That is 667. See, try to use 2-digit multiplication, right? The general method that we have learned, the crisscross multiplication method. Use that and get the answer, right? That is the area of the hall. Then what do you have? Then you have, next one is the manager's room, right? Manager's room is 13 into 17. Fairly easy one, right? 13 into 17 is how much? 221. Okay, now next area of that is 221. Next, what do you have? You have a pantry. Pantry measures 14 into 13. Again, 14 into 13 is 182. Then you have a record cum server keeping room. So record room measurement is 21 into 13. So 21 into 13 is 273. Then you have a locker room. What is locker room? 29 into 21. Correct? 29 into 21 is 609. So, okay. Now, just add these figures. What do you get? What will be the total area that is being actually reworked? See, totally the area of the bank is 2000. They have given that somewhere, no? They mentioned that the area of the bank is 2000. The total area of the bank is 2000. Here it is given, right? So, add these. What do you get? You get 2591. So you get 1952, correct? That will be the area of the place where rework is done. So totally out of 2000 square feet, I am reworking 1952 square feet. So how many square feet have I not reworked actually? It is nothing but 2000 minus 1952, or 48, correct? 48 meters squared I have not reworked. So 48 meters squared I have not reworked means now I am going to rework that at a rate of 110 rupees per square feet. So what will be the cost? It is nothing but 48 into 110. That's going to be your answer. That is, you get it as 5280. Correct answer is option E.